Welcome to the bustling marketplace of old Medina. Can you smell the sweet scent of spices in the air? Look around and see the colorful stalls filled with beautiful pottery, woven baskets, and juicy dates. Listen closely, and you'll hear the cheerful voices of merchants calling out to customers. This is where our story begins, with a young merchant named Yusuf. Yusuf was known throughout the marketplace for his kind heart and honest ways. He worked hard every day, selling handmade goods to support his family. One sunny afternoon, a wealthy traveler stopped by Yusuf's stall. The traveler admired Yusuf's beautiful pottery and bought a few pieces, but in his excitement he accidentally left behind a small bag. Later that day, Yusuf discovered the bag and was shocked to find it full of shiny gold coins. He thought about his family's struggles and how this money could help them. But then he remembered the teachings of Prophet Muhammad about being honest and doing the right thing. Yusuf faced a tough choice. Should he keep the coins to help his family, or return them to their owner? He closed his eyes and took a deep breath, asking Allah for guidance. When he opened them, he knew what he had to do. The next day, when the wealthy traveler returned looking worried, Yusuf's face lit up. "Sir," he said, "I believe you left something at my stall yesterday." The traveler's eyes widened as Yusuf handed him the bag of coins. Amazed by Yusuf's honesty, the traveler exclaimed, "Young man, your integrity is worth more than all the gold in this bag." He was so impressed that he gave Yusuf a portion of the coins as a reward. From that day on, the traveler became Yusuf's most loyal customer and told everyone about the honest young merchant. As time passed, Yusuf's stall became the most popular in the marketplace. People came from far and wide to buy from him, knowing they could always trust him. Yusuf's family no longer struggled, and their lives were filled with blessings. One day a young boy asked Yusuf the secret to his success. Yusuf smiled and said, "Remember this, little one. Honesty is the key to blessings. When we do the right thing, even when it's hard, Allah sees our good intentions and rewards us in ways we can't imagine." So, dear children, always remember Yusuf's story. Be honest in everything you do, big or small. Trust in Allah, and He will guide you to success and happiness. Who knows, your honesty might just change someone's life, just like Yusuf's did in the colorful marketplace of Medina.